Good morning to you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily. Let me sort myself out. Bloomin' heck. It's been a long old while since I did a bit of vlogging when I didn't look like an absolute tramp, basically. Good morning to you. Today is a very exciting day because me and Katie are doing like best friend box swaps. We saw Sphere and Chintzy do this, and then yesterday Saffron, Barker and Anastasia did it. I'm so excited. My box is over there. Flip you around. It's there on the table. Go over to Katie's channel to watch her open mine. She's going to drop hers round to me in a bit. Don't worry, we're not going to touch. I'm going to put mine at the end of my driveway and she's going to pick it up and swap. And she's been isolating too, so we should all be fine. I'm so excited, I cannot tell you. Yesterday was not a good day for me. I was just not in a good mood, you know, feeling a bit down. And so I'm sure this will cheer me up. I'm so excited. We were gonna do like ordering, but we were like, neither of us are working, obviously. We don't really have that much money, so I've ordered like one package. I got mine from Birchbox, I got her some beauty bits. And Katie said she's ordered one thing, and the rest of the stuff we've made and like gathered. So yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, I've got up, got dressed. I'm not sure how I feel about my outfit today. I feel a bit worky. Let me try and show you. I've got like cycling shorts on, and then like, oh, let's take the ring right off. And then turtleneck, and then just this big rugby jersey, but I really know how I feel. I feel like this is a bit much, but oh well, we'll go with it. I'm also really aware that my bun is a bit ridiculous, but you know, I need to stop rambling and wait for Katie. I need to go pick her some flowers from down the road. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so she says she's just left, so she'll be like 10 minutes, 5 minutes. And I thought I'd show you hers. I picked her some flowers, and I've got it in this cute little box, so I'm going to take it down, and I think I'm just going to put it at the end of the lane. I can see the end of my drive from my window, so I'm watching to see when she's going to come. I'm actually so excited. It's so weird, like, she's my best friend. I see her all the time, but obviously I haven't, so okay, I'm going to take it downstairs now. I'm trying not to get in where I live. There she is. Woo! Do you know what? I'm just going to go right out and say it. I wish I could make a messy bun look cute. I just don't have that power. Okay, Katie's dropped off her parcel. Here it is. I'm just making sure there's none of her address on it. No, she's dropped it off. It's okay, I won't reveal where she lives. I've taken that turtleneck off. Oh, I just got too hot. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Right, okay, do I just dive in? I'm so excited. First, I want to just say thanks to Katie. Okay, it's a little letter. Apparently she can't draw hearts anymore. I love her. I wrote her a letter too. This is so cute. I can't wait for our shopping trips and sleepovers again. Oh my god, I love her. P.S. Hope the banana bread isn't soggy. Oh my god, she made me banana bread. I'm so excited. I hope it's not got a soggy bottom. Well, it's fine because the cupcakes I made her are really crumbly, so I think this is the... Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yes! This is for Missy! Yeah! I've written her card that Missy missed her. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Do you think if I shake them, they'll come? Maybe not. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Cheese flavour. Isn't that so weird? That cats like cheese. Like, Missy's favourite snack is cheese. Oh, and she wrote little notes on them. Oh my god, I didn't do that. I'm such a bad friend. I'm so excited. We had an argument this morning that I thought she stole my tanning mitt, but she didn't. Oh my god. I love her. Sun-kissed self-tan mix. Yo! If the sun decides to leave and you want to be a tanned goddess, use this. Oh my god, look at my, look at that. Lol. Oh my god, yes! Sun-kissed, I've never used this before. Oh, is this like an overnight one? Because I've never used that, I just used the fast one. Oh my god, yes! The tanning mitts. I don't have to put it on with a face wash anymore. Like a face, I don't even know what it's called. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I actually love her so much. Oh my god, this feels like a book. Shut up. Is it Page Tune? Oh no, she's obsessed with Page Tune. This is one of my favourite books and it's really easy read. Oh my god, she knows that I can't read. I love her. On a Beautiful Day. See, I already messed up the first word. Treasure every moment. Life can change in a heartbeat. Is this gonna make me cry? Oh, this is so cute. I'm actually gassed by this. I'm actually gonna read it. Let's put it like on my pillow. Oh, is this the banana bread? Oh my god, it doesn't feel soggy. It feels hard. Don't worry. I can't get it out. Oh my god, she wrapped it so cute. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Chocolate chip banana bread for you and the fam. Oh my god, I want to try some. Oh, this is so cute. This makes me miss her so much. I'm so glad I get to do this because she drove to pick it up because we didn't want to post it because that would just be really expensive and I can't get to the post office, so so she just dropped it round with her dad. But it's so nice to do it with someone because Jack's really far away, so he can't just like nip round, and Iris obviously is even further away, so she can't just nip round, and they're like the 3 most important people that aren't my family. Well, my family aren't that important, but you know. I'm literally just gonna bite the end of it like a cannibal. Don't worry, it's not soggy, it feels nice and firm. Oh my god, this looks delicious. I licked it and it tastes like tomato soup. Oh my god. Wow. That girl makes a mean banana bread. That's so nice. Oh my god, there's so many things in here. Oh my god, yes! I love her. We went to Primark and she bought too many of these sunglasses. I can't get it off. Imagine if I wore them like this. I'm obsessed. Do you want to be my friend? Jack, would you still love me if I look like this? Hi. Oh my god. I look like in the Cramp Twins. This is very niche. In the Cramp Twins when Wayne pretends to be an alien and he wears those glasses and he's like... No one's going to understand that. I only have 1 pair of sunglasses and then I have those pointy ones, but they don't suit me. So yes. Seductive. I love that we can do this without spending loads of money. I love it. It's so hard to feel stuff and not give it away. Yes! Have a pamper night and see, I can't speak or read. Have a pamper night and give your skin a treat. Oh my god, these are literally the best sheet masks. I'm sorry, they make your skin so soft. The Garnier ones. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do this tonight. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. I don't even care at this point. Moisture Bomb tissue mask. Tissue mask? Isn't it called a sheet mask? I remember that me and Iris did these the first time. We didn't know how they worked. And we just looked ridiculous. Oh my god, I'm really excited for that. I love her. Cherry Cola Tic Tacs. She's just very yummy. I love her. I love that she wrote. I'm dead. Apparently, this is how you're meant to open them. Like that. And then like that. Look. It's meant to be like a little seat for the Tic Tac. It just seems kind of pointless. And knowing me, I'd open them and they'd all fall out. See? The little like bed. Be a Tic Tac. These are really nice. I'm fully gonna eat these. Is this another book or is this a notepad? Oh my god. If you're feeling sad or stressed, give this a read. Stay positive. Oh my god, she's making me read so much. Woman. Live well and stress-free. A practical guide to well-being. This is the section of Waterstones I always go to. You know, like the journal section. Oh my god, look at my bruised knees. Naughty. The like journaling section, like the self-help section. Not that I need any self-help. Should we read one? Emotional needs. You might be wondering what our basic emotional needs are. These can be summarized into these. Feeling safe, being noticed and giving attention by others. Be noticed and give attention to others. Oh my god, there's 10 of them. Or purpose. I can't read. I can't read. Wow, she's teaching me some big words. Exercise and fitness. Eating well. Relaxing. Oh my god, there's one on insomnia. I need that. Gassed. She's filling me with so much reading material here. Shut up. I know you've been loving planning your days out, and I have this bullet journal that I tried to use a couple of the pages are gone because I was rubbish at it. Get creative, woo. Oh my god, no she did not. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. This is definitely the best or last, you can't see that. It's like the dotty page book. I'm having a stationary orgasm. That was not cute. Oh my god, she actually knows how obsessed I am. I'm gonna do this today, oh my god. I've never been so excited for a notebook. I have no words. I shouldn't be this excited for a notebook. This is what lockdown's done to me. Oh my god, woman, thank you. Anyone else who hears me call you woman is just gonna think I'm such a bitch because we just shout woman at each other. We're like, woman! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I think that's it, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that was definitely the best of last. Oh my god. Go over to Katie's channel and watch her open mine. I'll probably be up Thursday. I think this is going up on Wednesday and she normally uploads on Thursday, so tomorrow, I think. But oh my gosh, I've got so many good things. I am so excited to eat this, you have no idea. I'm gonna literally sit at my desk or in my bed with my sheet mask on with this and this fake tan on my body and shake my cat treats. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I have no words. Thank you so much to Katie for making me this parcel. Oh my god, I'm literally so excited. This was so much fun. If you have like a friend that lives close, or like walking distance or driving distance or whatever, or you could afford to post it to them, I would highly recommend doing this. Like, we only bought a couple of bits for each other and the other stuff was like made or like found. So oh my god, please go do this. It's such a feel-good thing. Like, this has made my day. Today's gonna be a good day now. Thank you, Frond Queen, for doing this for me. Wait, I'm the Frond Queen. She's a Frond magnet. A Frond is a vagine, by the way, if you all didn't know that. Do this. Go and watch Katie's video. Thank you very much for watching mine. I'm so excited about all of these things, not even gonna lie. Let me know what other videos you want me to film this quarantine. Let me know down below. Go over, follow me Insta, TikTok, Depop, all that stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. Oh, I'm literally being spoiled. Okay, bye.